Hey guys, we're at Dollar Tree. You got it? Okay. Oh, here's that Cutter poison ivy spray, that itch relief that I grabbed when I fell in the boxes. Oh my goodness, so that's rocking. Wow, they have a ton of these Parabellas, right? Compared to the Tresemme, the shampoo and the conditioner, and then the Clean Renewal conditioner is over here. Oh, how cute are these hair clips? You know, the popsicles. That is funny. Oh my goodness. When I say I just went through this entire store, you better stop it on that. We in the toy section now. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? And Minnie and Mickey rocking with the tongue out. That is adorable. Sydney doing the whole thing over there. But girl, quick and fast. I'ma go. I should have stayed in the car. Oh my goodness. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, we're at Dollar Tree. Let me push it on in. Yes, so they are definitely still rocking over here. I did grab the bowl. I thought I grabbed it when I grabbed everything else, but I didn't. So now I have the bowl and some of the small plates and things. So yes on that. Here we go on the sheet pan, made simple. Yeah, right? Throw some things on there. You know how I like to be quick and fast. So if I could throw it in, right? Run, take a shower, come back, eat. That's fire. You know what else I was just thinking about making? Look at these. I was about to drop it. Cupcakes made simple. Oh, they look good, right? That's on that. You know what I was thinking about making? Foil packs for the grill and things. I was thinking about that too. So yes, I need tape to seal up the next good box, right? We're gonna be doing that in a few. Anything Stitch now, I'm all about. That movie was so darn good. So yes on the kite. Oh my goodness, look at these big old bowls with the baby feet on them. It's the pink one and the blue one, right? You know what I just thought about? Some chocolate treats with the baby feet in them. Yes on that. Oh, you better stop it on that. That's a whole kit. Hydrate. Miss Girl, I had to look down because you know it's like 125, 35 all on the same shelf. This is 125. Did we see this? I don't think we saw this. Global Beauty Care Hydrating Day and Night Cream Set with hyaluronic acid. Helps moisturize, right? For smoother, firmer looking skin. Youthful glow. Yes. In the cart. Here's Clinicals. I don't think we saw this either. We may have. Miss Girl, no we didn't, because it says anti-aging at the bottom. And you know 100% I would have grabbed this. So Lift and Firm Facial Serum with collagen and ceramides. So yes, in the cart. Oh, so here are all the 2-packs. Detoxifying, right? The peel off. I grabbed something that says stress. Anti-stress. Sea salt mud mask back there. The face mask. It's one more. I feel like. I don't see it, but yes on that. Oh, this whole situation is back, right? The Global Beauty Care, the cleansing, the daily face wash, the toner, and here is the daily gel face lotion. So $125 a piece, but we just picked up the other one. So that one is fire. Oh, these are new. This packaging is fire, right? It just reminded me of the pretzels I just did with the red and the black. Yes on that. Relieves cough and soothes sore throats, cools nasal passages. So it's 24 drops. These are the minis and they're sugar free. Let me get a couple in the cart. Yes, so here they are on this little end right here, right? The little strip. So the cocoa butter is up top, we saw. The rose we saw. What's this one? No. Okay, I know it was 4. This is the one I was missing compared to the original vase line, right? Original, the Vaseline. So, yes on that. Let me take this off the strap in the cart. Yeah, the only one that's missing over here is the caramel one. That one's in my bag right now. Let me show you. Yes. It is so good. Oh my goodness. Miss Girl, here it is right here. Over here. And some more of the cocoa butter. So they rocking over here. Okay. So I feel like I remember seeing these sprays. I think anyway, they're like facial serums, right? By Bolero? Maybe not. If I have, it's definitely been a while. Vanilla sugar and raspberry, coconut and rose oil is here. But I don't remember this. The jelly eye cream, this is fresh avocado. Yeah, I don't remember that. I'm thinking. And then this one back here rocking super berry. So, yeah, how long have these been out? Because I definitely missed them. The Anomaly is rocking over here. I saw it in the other Dollar Tree. Oh, nice. We rocking the corn checks here too, all the way up top, just like the last, just like the last time I found it, gluten free on that. So it definitely is 125. Oh my goodness, Miss Girl, my neck from stretching. So Annie's gluten-free chewy granola bars, double chocolate chip. I haven't seen these yet. How many are here? It's 5. So that's rocking. I probably need to get these. In the cart. Let me scroll it on down. Oh, bread pudding. Is this what we saw? Remember? And I was like, it's only one. I don't know. And then when I came around the corner, I don't know. It's enough here. I feel like I might have grabbed this already, but it's here. Abigail's rocking. I do want to grab a cheesecake jello. Yes. In the cart. Girl. Oh my goodness. Let me throw that back. I'm going to grab these. We ran out. I just need something to hold us over until hubby goes shopping. Yes. In the cart. What kind of foil is this? 25 square feet. Cooking Concepts embossed on that. Girl. Is that how much the bags are? Oh no, they're 125. I never even paid any attention to this. I thought it was still rocking the 125. I am curious about this embossed in here. It looks like that. That's pretty. I'm gonna get it in the cart. All right, let me see what's rocking. So I'm crazy, but yeah, I want it. I need the gallon bags, right? Yes, on the Lift and Firm anti-aging. We don't have this, right? I can't even think. I don't think so. I got one for you too. Yes, on the cheesecake, day and night. One for me, one for you, right? I'm gonna see how these are rocking. Yeah, so I got you an original too. Yes, on the Hall minis. That is so darn cute. I just want to throw that in my bag right now in case I cough. Oh my goodness. And then girl, yes. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys, I will. Bye. I'll see you at home. Bye. Oh, nice. This is nice and thick, this scraper. I'm gonna get one of each. Yes, in the cart. All right, bye. Wait a minute. I missed all of this. All this McCormick good. You better stop it on that. We flipping the pancakes, right? All of this is going on. You know what? I thought it was this. I thought it was Cooking Concepts. And girl, if it hit me in the face one more time. So all of this is rocking. I do have this. I didn't know it came in the white, but I feel like for my BBQ sauce, I want the red. So yeah, I was tripping. All of this in the red and the white. Oh, look at Mickey and Minnie still rocking down there. But yes, on the scraper, I'm excited about this. All right, bye. I'm in checkout. Oh my goodness, girl. I can't get out of here. I saw Superman. So Beagle Scouts, right? Snoopy is here. Jurassic Park, SpongeBob, right? Friends is rocking. I have these. Dunder Mifflin. So those are rocking. These are new. I feel like it was a different set the last time. I don't remember the muscle. So, all right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, I'm home. So real quick, I wanted to show you the box, what's in here for May. Yes. So I'm doing 2 boxes actually. One on this channel and one on the home channel tomorrow night. So I think just because it's my birthday month and all the things, I just want to celebrate on both channels. So yes, on the stuff, right? It's some stuff in there too. A couple masks are in there. Remember the glove, right? I don't want to pull everything out because it's packaged like tight. The silicone oven glove, right? This thing is so darn thick. So I have one too. Let me see. Oh, it's upside down. Hold on. So here we go. Yes, on all the watermelon good. Oh my goodness. A lot of this stuff was in the beginning of the month. Well, at least when I came back from the cruise, right? So to be pure, you hear Kara singing? This is the dupe. We just saw this for the Vaseline. So yes, on that, we doing some things with the callus, right? Tahari is rocking back here with the mask. Remember these? They are so darn cute. The highlighter, the blushes in here, the bronzer, that mini vacuum cleaner. What's this? A couple masks is back here rocking. Hyaluronic acid and retinol. That facial serum is in here. What's this down here? Oh, yes. The 2-pack, right? The Physique. So the Global Beauty Care we just saw, that 2-pack, that is going to be in the home box, right? On the home channel tomorrow. So, yeah, we got some facial oil over here. It's something else down there. Hold on. Yes, those retinol wipes. The anti-aging. It's 60 in there. Yes, on that. So the box is full, right? I'm going to throw this back in. And then, like I said, it's a couple things that's rocking inside of the stuff bag. So, yeah. All right, you guys, good luck. And I'll see you soon. Bye.